What's the meaning of carborundum? Carborundum. Carborundum.
Carborundum. Carborundum. Carborundum is a trademark name for a very hard and sharp synthetic abrasive material made from silicon carbide. It is used in a variety of applications, including cutting tools, grinding wheels, and sandpaper. The result of using carborundum is a highly precise and efficient cutting or grinding process that produces smooth finishes. Its hardness and durability make it ideal for use in industrial and manufacturing processes. Despite its numerous benefits, carborundum can be hazardous to health if inhaled and should be used with appropriate protective gear.